Hello, my name is Wilhelmina Ranke with the Sarita Kennedy Law Library at St. Mary's University School of Law in San Antonio, Texas. This is a quick lesson on Shepardizing in Lexis Academic. So we'll click to Lexis Academic from the Law Library's homepage. And LexisNexis Academic is a version of Lexis that is available to many undergraduate universities, many large universities, many public libraries. So it's something that you can easily get free of charge access to. It's not the same as LexisNexis proper, which you get an account for with a law firm you can buy from LexisNexis or you get as a law student. LexisNexis Academic has your cases and your statutes and your law reviews. The biggest weakness is that it does not have a great search to it. So it's good for retrieving a citation, but not good for maybe doing something open-ended or trying to go through headnotes or something like that. So we'll start by just pulling up a case. I have the citation for Brown versus Board of Education. I can type that in my search bar, click go. I'm able to get my case. So it's right there, the same material you'd see in LexisNexis if you pulled that up. I have my headnotes. I can't click and search for other issues on that or other cases on that topic. I can click and find where it occurs in the text. I can also email this to myself. So you can format it as Word or PDF and email it to yourself, so you'd be able to go into a public library, the university library here, or any large university library. It's very likely you'd have access to this database and you'd be able to email yourself case law if you want to find it. The other thing I can do is I can Shepardize. So you can see there I Shepardized and I see 11,000 law reviews quote this or cite this. It was cited in many, many court cases. One thing that I can't do is I cannot jump to those law reviews. So to do something like that, I'll go and pull up a case that's been cited less frequently to just sort of show you the law review content and other things are there. So I have to click the side arrow maybe 50, 100 times to pull them up for that case. So I'm going to pull up Edgewood versus Kirby. This is a case about Texas school finance reform from 1989. Type in my citation for that. Pretty much in LexisNexis Academic you have to start with a citation because there's not a great search. Once you're into a document though you can browse. So there's my document. I can click on this email icon to email it to myself. I can click here to download it to my hard drive and save it. I can click to Shepardize it. And now that I've Shepardized it, I see there's 358 law reviews. There's several cases that cite it, so I'll just scroll down. You see each of your jurisdictions that cites that case. You do have your Shepard signal. And then I pull up my law reviews and periodicals. So the less frequently a case is cited, the more useful this is because you don't have a lot of your tools for searching within results, for jumping to just your law review articles or jumping just to a specific court, but you can get the material you need. That's pretty useful if you're ever between legal research accounts, or if you ever just need to do a quick Shepardizing task when you're waiting for bar results or at any point in time in the future when you don't have a Lexis or Westlaw account.